We've created a lot of purpose-built vehicles over the last few years, but this one's special. It's a true jack of all trades, and it can do just about anything. You can load mountain bikes in the back of it with this custom-built tie-down system. Load surfboards, kayaks, lumber, stand-up paddleboards, or anything else you want on the crossbars. Or with a couple tools, you can completely remove the crossbars in a few minutes. You can fit a four-wheeler. It's definitely cheating if you have a forklift. You could also fit snowmobiles, dirt bikes, motorcycles, or a bunch of other cool toys back here. And now you've got a slide-in camper on the back that makes it feel like you're not even really camping. You don't have to turn your truck into a full-time camper. We're here to help build you vehicles that are practical and easy to use in everyday life. You can take your camper out of the back of this truck, use it for everyday activities, take the kids to sports, go surfing, mountain biking, and then when you want to go camping on the weekend, you can slide this camper into the back of it and disappear for days on end. Let us know if we can build you one.